Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to enable replies notifications from anyone on X, Twitter, using your PC. Let's dive right in. To start, open X on your PC. Then, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the left-hand column of the Settings page, locate and click on the Web Notifications option. This will take you to the Notification Settings section. Within the Notification Types menu, find and click on Preferences. This will allow you to customize your notification preferences. Next, look for the Push Notifications option and click on it to further adjust your settings. Under the section labeled Mentions and Replies, make sure to select the checkbox that says From Anyone. Once you've chosen From Anyone, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the designated button at the bottom of the page. Your new notification settings are now in place. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled replies notifications from anyone on X, Twitter, for your PC. Stay connected and engaged with your Twitter interactions. Thank you for watching and happy tweeting.